Morning, Starshine.
Morning, Helen. Morning, Kai.
I'm feeling terrific, having fun, and building confidence to learn everything there is about journalism.
Do you guys want to have a look at what groups you'll be in later? Autistic people learn a lot and connect a lot with each other. Once you meet other people who are like you and people lift you up and support you, I think there's a lot of value to that. So there are benefits of having an autism-only class.
Today, we're going to learn about vox pops. What's a vox pop? Does anybody want to have a guess? Does anybody know?
Nope.
No.
They are an interview, but unlike a regular interview, when you would ask one person lots of questions, voxies are where you ask lots of people one question. How would you feel about having to go up to somebody and ask them a vox pop question?
For me, I would probably be terrified.
Yeah.
I feel like talking to people, especially ones that are non-autistic, kind of makes me nervous. I blank out and be like, good God,
So now have a go at writing your question. Your topic is animals. I love a vox pop activity. It's really the first stage of a student stepping into that role of reporter.
So, you ready to go, Jackson?
Absolutely.
Giving yourself the permission to approach a stranger and ask them a question is a really big transition in the way someone sees themselves and what it is that they're allowed to do.
You gotta stop me.
Come back, Angus.
I just didn't know when.
That's okay. So when someone gets about here, you're going to wave at them. And then
People might just be a bit nervous about saying or doing the wrong thing or uncomfortable being themselves. And I'm hoping that as we do more of these, their confidence will grow.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm Jackson. Can I ask you a question?
Hit me.
About animals?
Hit me. Hit me with the question.
Yes, I understand. How do you feel about when a crocodile escapes from his cage and wandered around the zoo?
That? Ooh. So I'll just probably be terrified and just run away, or just get the ghost of Steve Rowan to just tackle it.
Now that's a good, interesting answer, but everyone knows ghosts aren't real.
I know, but it could be real. You never know.
Well, this world has many mysteries.
It does. Is that it?
good job, Jackson. Well done.
Evie, you okay?
Put
You
my-
can pop those things down there, they'll be safe. We wanted to be in a space where these students are stretched but not overwhelmed or it becomes too much. You stand there, Evie. So vox pops are a great exercise to let people take that step.
Hello, my name is Evie, and I'd like to ask you a question. What animal do you relate most to, and why?
The barn owl.
Oh.
Because they're beautiful. They've got on their face, it kind of looks like a love heart, and they've got very friendly looking face.
That's really nice.
And they fly at night, and I'm actually more alive in night than the day.
Ah, makes sense. Thank you for your tie.
Thank you.
You did it. It really pushed you out of your comfort zone a little bit, didn't
Yeah.
you? Congratulations, you did a really, really good job.
What's my better side for the record? I've always wanted to know. Autism's a bit weird because it doesn't specifically have a look. Sometimes people on the spectrum, you would never be able to tell that they're autistic unless they specifically told you. Oh, excuse me, sir, you look personable. My name is Angus, what's yours?
Silas.
Silas, nice to meet you, man. I guess I'm a pretty good masker when it comes to social situations and talking to people. What do you reckon is your spirit animal and why? For me, it's a golden retriever.
Oh. For me, it would be a human.
Ah, that's a good... Why do you think you relate with a human the
Well,
most?
I kind of look like a human, and sometimes I feel like a human.
Oh, that's really convincing. I like that. I can kind of get that vibe, actually.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all. Thank
have
you
a
very
nice day.
much. Yes. Have a good one.
Very good. Interesting you
Yay.
said sometimes.
I never would have picked him as a human. Oh, excuse me, sir.
No, sorry.
Better luck next time.
Someone had to do it.
Yeah, that's usually the normal.
Good job.
That's the
You did
normal.
great.
Yeah.